Now the PC that has problem that water entered was true. So one has been fixed, yes, another one. But see, this one is very much affected. So let me zoom this in so that I will show you effect of water on motherboard. If one fail to take necessary action, what will happen? So look at this. You see the sign? This is the sign of water. You see the damage that it has done? You see? You see right here. And this point is this is 6,000, 60,000. This is important shape right here. And water has damaged this part. Okay? Water has damaged this part. Alright, so just want to show you this. You can see the action of water. So I'm looking at the back if there is anything. Aha, see. This is, yeah, look at this fet here. See the fet, look at the side of the fet. That is sign of water there. So that's, this one is just to show you how important it is for you to take the step. Now, I'm going to start to clean it up with isopropyl alcohol and see if I will be successful. It will be successful or not. But if not, I will identify damaged component and have it replaced. All right. So this is 840 G3 or thereabouts. Yeah. So that is it. So I'm trying to examine where there is sign of water, where water got on the board, so that I will try to clean that spot. So what I'm doing is doing a kind of a spot cleaning. Okay. I also mentioned, I said that the first thing to do is to remove the battery, yeah? Then remember to remove the CMOS. Although this one keeps bio settings in CMOS. Yeah, this is CMOS battery. So you can just detach this one as well. Yeah. Yeah, good. Done. I need to check my multimeter and see if I'm having a good readings or not. I want to check all the capacity beside. Okay, not shock there. All right. Okay. All right. Just around this shape. Okay, nothing. Yet anything. Okay, capacitor. Good. What about this in? Okay, good. What about here? Okay, good. All right. So this is true ground. True ground. Good. Then this coil. Okay. All right. How strong? Why are you pulsating? Okay, good. This for the CPU. Should go low. Yeah. For CPU. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So far, this is all the readings from the listeners. They're telling me that they are perfect. No problem. So what I'm going to do is I will apply lights. Yeah. If I plug in, if it's working, the CPU should heat up and there should be light here. So one to go, plug in. Is there light? Yes, there is light. CPU, warm up. Yes, it warms up. Good. CPU warms up. So next is, all right. Look at here. You see the sign here. Yep. And that coincides with this place. Yeah. So, so you see what I've done on this. I simply use this as rubbing alcohol. Then I I did a spot cleaning. So remember what you are going to do. Yeah, remember what you're going to do. First, you open up your PC. Then now there's a back keyboard lid. You open the PC, remove the battery. After you remove the battery, remove the CMOS battery as well. Then take out the board and examine it. If there's a kind of weird looking something, use as appropriate alcohol and clean it. You will know if what you observe is not the right thing. Then you can take the right step to clean it up. That is by applying as appropriate alcohol. It's as simple as that. And while doing it, you just have to be careful so that use a soft brush. That's number one. So I end up, although I use this, but I use this majorly. Yeah, this toothbrush. It's very soft. Look at it. Very, very soft, not hard brush, but very soft, just like this. Just like this. So this allow me to clean it effectively compared with this. Yeah. Well, I used on to do a kind of a general cleaning for it.